In this video, I show you how to fix mobile network not available problem. For solving this problem, go to settings, then go to Wi-Fi and internet. Now turn on airplane mode, then turn off airplane mode. Now search for reset. Now tap on reset option. Tap on reset again. Now reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Reset settings. Enter your lock screen pin password. Reset settings. Now I hope that this method fix mobile network not available problem.